Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix unable to send reels on Instagram. So to fix the issue, open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. Here search for Instagram, tap on it, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and confirm, tap on clear data and confirm. Now press and hold Instagram app, click on uninstall to uninstall it. Now restart your device. After restarting your device, open Play Store, tap on search, search for Instagram, tap on it. Now install Instagram, and once your Instagram get installed, open it and then check unable to send reels on Instagram is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.